In a moment, when that cell door right there will open, you are going to enter that cell. You will locate the same color I just gave you out here, and you will stand on them in there. This should be a very simple assignment, but I have my doubts. Now, the Phantom Menace, that is one of my favorite stories, especially the part where Qui-Gon Jinn lived. Oh wait, never mind. However, you have to give Darth Maul credit. He saw an opportunity and took a stab at it. And in the end, Qui-Gon got the point. Red and blue, go. Silver and orange, follow.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Let's go.
Then we have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way. Okay, take this corridor to the turbo list. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Bayou. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not on the right. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the vengeful cannons!
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage site.
Wreckage?
Talking to us?
Yeah, we can't hear him.
Yeah, this
Welcome back, recruits. Great job out there.
Great.
May ship all your cargo and exit this way.